Welcome to my Cahokia Mounds video. Hope you enjoy it. It was raining like crazy on us as we tried to experience it. So I got a little bit of Google Earth going on in the background to give you a good idea. Enjoy. So Olivia and I started off in the wood henge area. The wood henge was used to determine changing seasons and ceremonial dates. Between 1100 and 1200 AD, Woodhenge was actually built multiple times using different diameters and different number of posts. Very interesting. So this is my third time being here. You can see there's a mound right there. Another big mound kind of in front of me. I'm going to zoom in. Across the street there's a large mound, and then the big granddaddy is kind of in the far distance there. Very cool. Woodhenge actually sits about a half mile straight west of Monk's Mound. There happens to be multiple mounds in between Woodhenge and Monk's Mound. We're at the Cahokia Visitor Center. I'm gonna go in and check it out. I've been here twice and never been inside this building. My first time that I was here was fairly late at night. The visitor center ended up being closed. There was some really cool stuff on the ground that signified where kind of how the houses were placed and then repositioned over the years. Kind of an interesting thing. From there we went out towards the Twin Mounds. All right, we're doing Cahokia in the rain. Biggest of the mounds over there. We're gonna go check out some of these bad boys, and then we're gonna head over there and then probably get out of here so we don't get too wet. These mounds are massive.
Should we go this way?
Let's go around and then we'll go that way. Mound I just was showing you, it's called Fox Mound. Go check that one out. The rain's getting pretty bad, so we're gonna check that out, then go over to Monk's Mound, and then probably get out of here. Olivia's tough. She's willing to do this in the rain with me, because it is coming down fairly good. This mound is really cool. You can see a mound in the distance there. And back here in the trees, there's multiple mounds. Super cool. All right, these are the two mounds we just walked around. We're gonna head back to the car. It's coming down pretty good. We're gonna drive over to the parking lot for Monk's Mound and then run up on top of that. So that mound appears to have like a step in it. It's kind of interesting. Next stop, Monk's Mound. So as I'm looking at this mound and then I look towards Monk's Mound, I'm looking straight across the Grand Plaza. The Grand Plaza was used for public gatherings, festivals, markets. The chief would address his people. Also, it was a place where the game Chunky was played. All right, back to our car. Heading to Monk's Mound. All right, I'm not supposed to park down there, but because it's raining, I'm doing it. Monk's Mound.
All right, I believe we're at the top. Here we go. There it is. Top of Monk's Mound. That way is the wood hinge. All the different mounds. My daughter Olivia. So I believe on the far end of this is where, I don't know, you'd call it the ruler, king, whatever. I believe they had kind of their, not sure if it was living quarters or not, but they had a place for them here.
They estimate 22 million cubic feet of dirt was used to create Monk's Mound. That is crazy.
So I believe those are it's a representation of what like walls would have looked like. Posts in the ground, covered in some type of plaster or something. It's pretty cool. It's raining pretty dang hard. I'm ready to get out of here.
Over 2 miles of that stockade wall was used to protect Monk's Mound around the Grand Plaza and the Twin Mounds. Incredible. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Appreciate you guys. Thank you.